Today it's a very special day. I'll tell you why. It's because it's our gang's first ever marriage. Like a person from our gang is getting married. Oh my god. I was so excited and my eyes just filled with tears when I saw her today. So I'm just heading back home. I just met her now. I went to her home just to give her a moral support today. And
6.5 hours later.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, 7, smile.
hi guys. So yes, I'm back. So right now we are in Sindhu's reception. Mukha ella full shimmery because of my dress. Okay, so we have a surprise. So as I said, we have a surprise. I'll let you know later. Look this beautiful girl, hey. This is so embarrassing. Ikade ba.
Hi guys.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to Rakshita's vlog.
Of Sindhu's wedding. ಮೊದಲಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Yes, that's Sindhu. Okay, bye. So, guess our surprise is this lady came from all the way to Paris.
Hey Baba, you do.
ಇದು ಚಿನ್ನು, ಇದು ಕುಚಿನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫುಲ್ ಧೂಮ್ ಧಾಮಕ್ ಧೂಳು ಎಬ್ಬರಿಸಿದೀವಿ. ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸು, 1 day ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸು. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಅಕ್ಕ But it was nice. We had a concept of her giving surprise to Sindhu and it was a surprise. ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳೆ ಬೇಯಿಸಿದ್ವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅವಳು ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಅಂತ. Finally it was worth. That's it. Hi Tanvi. It's your Pini's marriage.
Yes.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
One eternity later.
I'll make a pen. Seriously?
Okay. Okay. After a very long time, we all girls are looking like actual girls. Finally, Chinnu is getting married tomorrow. We miss you. 1 wicket down.
Second wicket. ಇನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ನಂದು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಬೀಳ್ತಾರೆ
ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
It was very nice. ಅಕ್ಕ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲಿ ಏನೋ ನಾವೇ
ಇವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ.
ಏಯ್ our bride. See how beautiful she is.
So beautiful. So elegant.
She's just looking like a wow.
ಸಾಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
ನಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
Okay, guys. Bye. We are heading back home. We'll have a bit of sleep. Then again we'll come for ಮುಹೂರ್ತ. ಮಕ್ಕ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಗುರು ಏನಿದು ಶೈನಿಂಗು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿಮ್ರಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. ಡ್ರೈ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಕೊಡೋಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. Okay, bye. I'll catch you guys later.
ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ